dropping, windows popping, the beat is slamming, my stereo jamming, battery charging, alternator spinning, woofers are flexing, passenger grinning. Wheels are rolling, paint is shining, power is flowing, amplifier blowing, heart is beating, bass is thumping, pressure is rising, window is jumping.
My able assistant is doing what she does best, which is fit in the tight places. One subwoofer is attached.
The things I would do for my man.
Right, baby?
And Gary too. Leg over the seatbelt and his other wire and... Oh.
You're a contortionist.
Feel the rumble from the speakers. Bass so deep, making earth shakers. Wires thick, power flows like rivers. Subwoofers pounding, giving life shivers. Trunk full of thunder, lithium dreams. In the zone I'm riding, feel the beams. Bass drop. Hear it roll, deep vibrations touch the soul. Amped up, powers high, sub-frequencies kissing the sky. Lights flicker as a beat drops down. Big amplifiers, no backing down. Waves collide, the volumes rise. In the rhythm, lost in our high. Cables burn like fire, hot through veins. Bass pulse in my heart, breaking chains. Drop, hear it roll, deep vibrations touch the soul. Amped up, powers high, sub-frequencies kissing the sky. From the trunk to the street, feel the quake, subharmonic thrill, the earth shakes, power wires all in sync. Let the sound take you to the brink. Bass drop, hear it roll. Deep vibrations touch the soul. Amped up, powers high, sub-frequencies kissing the sky.
You should stay now. Alright. Once, twice, 3 times related. I love you. Yes, it once, twice, 3 times a lady. Huh? 4 times. 4 times? Alright, let's see. That's 2 subwoofers. Dude, are you kicking it?
I'm kicking it.
You kicking it?
I would really love to kick it.
Yeah, I'm getting the idea, right? Alright, there's all the speaker wires coming in. And more stuff to do. But, yeah, there it is. Now I'm going to junction these guys up out here. These little terminal blocks. I don't know exactly where yet, but that's what's happening. Make it look real pretty. Yeah, we'll make it look real pretty. Slapping it, baby. Oh, they look good, man. They look good. A lot more work to go, but they look good. I got the amp board and the vacuum. I'm gonna be getting it in the house. Get it all set up. And son, we're getting closer.